Okay, so let's begin this problem here. So basically they're asking us to determine the sign of f prime and f double prime at each point, or state that if it's undefined at that point. So let's look at A to start, right? Basically this line right here, we should see the slope of that line as being negative, and f prime is for sure negative. Now, what about f double prime? The way we can determine that from the graph is ask ourselves, is this tangent line underneath the curve? And it is, which means that it's concave up. So f double prime is then positive, okay? Concave up, right? Concave up looks like this. Everywhere along here is concave up, okay? Yeah, and again, if the tangent line is beneath the curve, then it's concave up. If the tangent line is above the curve, then it's concave down. So it's clear that this is going to be concave up. Now, at B, you should see that that's the slope of the tangent line. So this is 0. And then, of course, the tangent line is beneath the curve. So again, the second derivative is positive. If you go to C, this one's a tricky one, right? If you draw this line, you should see that definitely it's the case that the first derivative is positive. But if you look, right, we should kind of be able to see that C is indeed an inflection point. And we have it that this is actually 0 here. Keep moving along, we have this, and it's above, the tangent line is above the curve, so this is concave down, and the tangent line is still positive, so it's plus. Here at E, it flattens out, so the derivative is 0, and again, above the tangent line, so it's concave down. The tangent line is above the curve, so it's concave down. Now, at F, we need to know that there is no tangent line, and it is undefined. Both of these will be undefined. We should see that it instantaneously is changing its direction at that point, right? It's a sharp corner, we say, and there's no way we could define the derivative. This here, G, it's just going to overlap, and we're going to have that this is 0, and this will indeed be 0. The tangent line is not above or below the curve. Again, here at point H, we have the undefined case. It instantaneously changes its direction. Is that right? Yep. Oh, wait. Yep. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, good. I was making sure that I sketched my graph right. Undefined, undefined. And now let's look at point I. So point I is, again, a bit of a tricky one. We should kind of be able to see that this is negative, the slope of the tangent line. And we should also be able to see that this here is indeed an inflection point, that it goes from concave up to concave down, which means that the second derivative is negative. Here at J, we have something that looks like this. It looks like the tangent line is above the curve, so this is negative, it's concave down, and then this is negative. The tangent line, the slope is for sure negative.